Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix a health insurance claim with Blue Cross Blue Shield, beginner guide step by step clearly. To fix a health insurance claim with Blue Cross Blue Shield, start by gathering all relevant documents. This includes your insurance card, the claim statement, and any medical records. Next, review the claim statement carefully for errors or missing information. Identify any specific areas where you believe the claim was processed incorrectly. Contact Blue Cross Blue Shield's customer service for assistance. You can find the number on the back of your insurance card. Explain the issue clearly and provide any documentation to support your case. Be prepared to answer questions regarding the claim and your medical treatment. After you have provided the necessary information, ask for a detailed explanation of the claim denial or issue. Take notes during the conversation for future reference. If necessary, request a written explanation of the claim and any actions taken. Once you have the information, determine what steps you need to take next. This may involve resubmitting the claim with additional documentation. If the issue is not resolved, consider filing an official appeal. Follow the specific appeal process outlined by Blue Cross Blue Shield. Make sure to include all required documents and submit your appeal within the designated time frame. Keep a copy of everything you send for your records. If your appeal is denied, you can request a review of your claim. Stay persistent and follow up regularly on the status of your appeal. In the meantime, stay informed about your coverage and benefits. Understanding your policy can help you navigate the claims process more effectively. Once your claim is approved, review the final statement to ensure it aligns with your understanding. If you still have concerns, schedule another conversation with customer service. Continue advocating for yourself until the matter is fully resolved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.